In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change your display name on Outlook. First thing, open your Outlook account on your desktop or go to outlook.com and sign in to your account. Then, click on File in the top left corner of the Outlook window. Click on Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Account Settings again. In the Account Settings window, select the email account for which you want to change the display name and click on Change. In the Your Name field, type the new display name that you want your email recipients to see. And after entering your desired name, click Next. Then click Finish to save your changes and close the Account Settings window. Your new display name should now be visible to your email recipients. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this